just like we did with logs. So say we had log base b of a equals x. To rewrite a logarithmic expression or equation in this instance, you can do something called the log rule. So you rewrite that as base b. So whatever your base on your log stays your base on your exponential function, and then your exponent becomes whatever it equals to. And then your final step is equals to whatever was inside of your log function. Now, say you are starting with an exponential function and you want to rewrite that as a log function. So you can go this direction as well. So whatever you start with, and then here's your second step. And then finally, so whatever your original, in this case is your base, is going to stay your base, but now it's just going to be written in a log. So base b, then your second step is whatever's over on the right side of the equation, or whatever is by itself. It could technically be on the left side, I guess, just, with the equal sign over on this side. So log base b of a equals, and then whatever your original exponent was is what that log function equals. So it can work in both directions. So just keep that in mind. I will try to remember to go through some examples of that too. Okay, so let's actually go ahead and do some more examples. Let me clear that real quick. And before we actually do some examples, there's a couple of other things that in your notes went over. So you have your common logs, and that's when you have your base 10. So if you have an older calculator and you hit the log function and it doesn't have a base, that is automatically 10. So if you ever see this written, so just log of 100, that means that's the same thing as writing log base 10 of 100. So if it's not written, it's a 10. Those are just your common bases. So those are the same thing. All right, let me erase this. Same thing if you have natural logs. So there is a number in math called e. So if you have a base e, it's just a number. It's just kind of like pi. It's like 2.71, I believe. It's just another number in math. So say you were given something like log base e of, let's say, x. This is the same thing. You can write natural log, or ln of x. So if it says ln, that automatically means natural log. So if your base is e, that is automatically a natural log. Typically you will see it. There's actually a number, or not a number, a button on your calculator that you can actually go ahead and do this.